The giant panda, a creature that embodies both charm and vulnerability, has become an emblem of conservation efforts around the globe. With its distinctive black and white fur and gentle demeanor, the giant panda captures the hearts of people from all walks of life. However, beneath this adorable exterior lies a species facing an uncertain future, teetering on the brink of extinction due to a combination of human activity and natural challenges. The primary reason for the giant panda's endangered status is habitat loss. As China has rapidly developed over the past few decades, the expansion of agriculture in urban areas has led to the destruction of vast swathes of the panda's natural habitat. These bears rely almost exclusively on bamboo, which constitutes 99% of their diet. Unfortunately, bamboo forests are not only being cleared for farmland, but are also suffering from the effects of climate change, which alters their growth patterns and availability. This leaves giant pandas with limited access to their primary food source, creating a precarious situation for their survival. Moreover, giant pandas have a notoriously low reproductive rate, which exacerbates their vulnerability. Female pandas are only fertile for a short window each year, typically just 24 to 72 hours. This limited breeding opportunity means that even under optimal conditions, the chances of producing offspring are slim. In the wild, the challenges of finding a mate, combined with the threats posed by habitat loss, make it increasingly difficult for the panda population to sustain itself. Conservation efforts in China have emerged as a beacon of hope for this beloved species. Recognizing the plight of the giant panda, the Chinese government has taken significant measures to protect these animals and their habitats. One of the most notable initiatives has been the establishment of over 60 panda reserves throughout the country. These protected areas are designed to safeguard the natural environment of the giant panda, ensuring that they have access to sufficient bamboo and a safe breeding ground. The reserves also serve as critical research sites where scientists can study panda behavior, health, and genetics, contributing to a more comprehensive understanding of how to support their survival. In addition to habitat protection, breeding programs have played a pivotal role in bolstering the panda population. Institutions like the Chengdu Panda Base have pioneered efforts in captive breeding, successfully increasing the number of pandas born in captivity. These programs not only focus on breeding, but also emphasize the importance of genetic diversity, which is crucial for the long-term health of the species. By carefully managing breeding pairs and utilizing advanced reproductive technologies, conservationists have made strides in ensuring that the genetic pool of giant pandas remains robust. Another essential aspect of conservation is habitat restoration. Reforestation programs aim to revive the bamboo forests that have been lost to development and environmental changes. By planting bamboo and other native vegetation, these initiatives help restore the ecosystem that giant pandas depend on. This not only benefits the pandas but also supports a wide array of other wildlife that shares their habitat, promoting biodiversity and ecological balance. The current status of giant pandas reflects a complex narrative of progress and ongoing challenges. In 2016, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, reclassified giant pandas from endangered to vulnerable, a testament to the effectiveness of conservation efforts. However, with fewer than 2,000 pandas remaining in the wild, the reality is that they are still at risk. The delicate balance of their ecosystem remains threatened by ongoing habitat destruction and the impacts of climate change. The giant panda is more than just a beloved animal. It symbolizes the broader struggle for wildlife conservation. Their presence serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all species and the importance of preserving biodiversity. Protecting giant pandas means not only safeguarding their future, but also ensuring the health of the ecosystems they inhabit. The fate of the giant panda is intricately linked to the health of the bamboo forests and the myriad of other species that thrive within them. As we reflect on the plight of the giant panda, we must ask ourselves, what kind of world do we want to create? Will we stand by and watch as this national treasure fades into oblivion? Or will we advocate for the changes necessary to ensure their survival? The choice is ours, and it requires a collective commitment to conservation, sustainable practices, and a deep respect for the natural world. The giant panda's journey is emblematic of the broader challenges facing wildlife today. It serves as a poignant reminder that our actions have consequences, and the choices we make can either contribute to the decline of species or pave the way for their recovery. By supporting conservation efforts, raising awareness, and advocating for sustainable practices, we can play a vital role in ensuring that future generations will continue to marvel at the beauty of the giant panda. In conclusion, the giant panda stands as a symbol of hope and resilience in the face of adversity. While challenges remain, the progress made through concerted conservation efforts offers a glimmer of optimism. The story of the giant panda is not merely about survival. It is about our shared responsibility to protect the planet's biodiversity and ensure that all creatures, great and small, have a place in our world. As we move forward, let us commit to being stewards of the Earth, working tirelessly to protect the giants of our natural heritage before it is too late.